Hello, Tesla fanatics, lovers and fans. Welcome to my channel, Living and Driving Tesla. Well, today we're gonna check out, I don't know what that was, road rage, carelessness, or just plain and simple being rude of somebody that cut me off, and the cameras were able to catch everything, especially my rear camera, my side camera, and my front camera. We're gonna check out those clips. So as you can see, we were minding our own business, and it seems like, I don't know, this little Nissan came and was having a bad day. I don't know what was that about, but let's check out my side camera. By now you more or less got an idea of how things went down, but the front camera actually captures, I'm gonna say, kind of the best footage. So check it out. The front camera captures this guy swerving into my lane, kind of trying to check me, and then really throwing himself in there. Luckily I had nobody on my left side. It was one of my friends on the left side, so he was smart enough to move out of the way and for me to be able to swerve and leave homeboy behind. Again, I don't know what that was, rudeness, carelessness, or road rage. But either way, I was able to be safe out of that one. Nothing major came out of that, which is great. But in such a case, man, these cameras get the footage of just about everything, so go Elon.
Okay, Presto. Okay, Presto.
And don't forget, if you want your dashcam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.